Today, let's see how to generate orthophotos and X-ray orthophotos in AcuteLas Studio Plugin-Rebuild3D with SPL laser scanner data.
Create a new project. Import point cloud data. Define cloud color layers. Create orthophoto. Rename the orthophoto. Create a orthocamera. Height, dimensions, and corrections. Export the orthophoto. Create X-ray orthophoto. Rename the X-ray orthophoto. Create a orthocamera. Height, dimensions, and corrections. Export the X-ray orthophoto. Orthophoto viewer.